field and strut. So we got our decoy set up somewhere out there. Me and Lane come in this morning on the youth hunt, Tennessee, and hopefully we get to pepper one's head here correctly. Right him at 20 yards, buddy. Oh gosh, my back is killing me now. Alright, so here's the update. He flew off the roof behind us, went to the top of the ridge. We called to him and he come down, gobbled right behind the blind. We still didn't know exactly which way, if he was going to come out left or right. So he come out left and made a move toward our decoy. Everything was, almost perfect. And we didn't realize that there was 4 hens come from the other farm way over yonder. And he got eyes on them. So now he went down there and he's strutting with those 4 hens, but they are moving this way, so we're just gonna hang tight, and we might do some purring here in a minute and see if we can lure them hens over. What do you think, Lane?
Oh no, it's crazy. I ain't never seen a turkey like that. That like strutting. I ain't never seen it like that before.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
That's cool. But
it's gonna be cooler when we put some pepper in his head. Yeah. We'd like to take this time to mention our sponsors. Who's your sponsor?
Oh, no.
What?
I don't even know what sponsor is.
That's the person that's paying for this hunt.
What is your baby?
Hard up then.
Did I miss him?
You missed him.
Dang.
Well, hey, it's the perils of hunting, big guy. I promise you, that ain't the first thing that's been missed. Oh. You alright?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's alright. Alright, well, it was a dandy hunt for that one. I mean, a Jim Dandy. And it just didn't work out. Sometimes you feel like a nut and sometimes you don't. But we had a good time on that one.
Yep.
Probably educated him a little bit, made him a little bit smarter. Alright, we are live here on top of a ridge with world-renowned turkey hunter, Lane Gillum. Lane, tell us about how the mornings went for you.
So we got here, we got all our stuff on started walking up to our spot, set everything up. We sat there for a few hours and we called a little bit. There was this turkey right above us that gobbled, and we called some more, and it kept gobbling and gobbling, and it finally jumped down on the ground, and it was just sitting there for a little while, and it started coming out. And then there was about 4 or 5 hens way off in the distance, and it went to them, and they all ran off after an hour or so, and then it saw our decoy, and it came towards us, and I shot, and it didn't go down. It ran off, and we figured out I shot a hole through the blind, and so
Stupid
yeah.
blind.
Stupid blind.
God.
Now we're trying to get something else to fire up.
I mean, that's straight talk, straight from the boss, right there. Is that what happened, Lane? What do you think about it?
I thought it was above the blind, but it wasn't, apparently, because I shot a hole through it. But
So, we've got a blind. We killed one of those today, but we didn't kill a turkey yet. But the morning's early, so
Yeah.
we're going to get active. So I think we found the culprit. Every good hunter, let's back this up. Every good hunter has got an excuse. One thing you got to know when it comes to hunting turkeys, deer, anything, is if there's a miss, there's a reason why. It's never the hunter's fault. So I think we figured out what's happened. The blind has got in the way of Lane. As you can see,
yep.
yeah. Now, that hole wasn't there when we started this morning. Alright. Oh, I gotta stretch.
Yeah.